When it comes to upgrading your home in Coppell, comfort and security are two top priorities. Homeowners want fresh air flowing through their living spaces, but not at the expense of safety. That's where Awning Windows offer a smart solution. With their unique design and modern engineering, Awning Windows deliver excellent ventilation while also enhancing home security. If you're considering new windows, here's how Awning Windows can improve both airflow and protection in your Coppell home. Designed for superior ventilation, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a small canopy effect when open. This design allows air to enter your home while helping block rain and debris. In Coppell, where warm temperatures can make indoor spaces feel stuffy, proper airflow is essential. Awning windows allow fresh air to circulate efficiently, improving indoor air quality and creating a more comfortable environment. Because they open outward, they can catch breezes and direct them inside. This makes them especially effective when placed higher on walls or paired with other window styles to create cross ventilation throughout your home. Ventilation. Even during light rain, Texas weather can shift quickly, and sudden rain showers are not uncommon. One of the standout features of awning windows is that you can leave them partially open during light rain. The outward tilting sash acts as a shield, helping prevent water from entering your home. This allows you to maintain airflow without worrying about moisture intrusion. For Coppell homeowners, this feature means enjoying fresh air more often, even when the weather isn't perfect. Energy efficiency benefits. Improved ventilation can also reduce reliance on air conditioning during milder seasons. When you're able to open your windows and let fresh air circulate, you may not need to run your HVAC system as frequently. Additionally, when closed, awning windows create a tight seal. The sash presses firmly against the frame, helping minimize air leaks and drafts. Modern models often include double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to further enhance energy efficiency. This combination of ventilation and insulation supports year-round comfort in Coppell's climate. Enhanced home security. While ventilation is important, security remains a top concern for homeowners. Awning windows offer several security advantages. First, they are typically smaller and often installed higher on walls, making them less accessible from the outside. Second, their design makes forced entry more difficult when partially open compared to some other window styles. Modern awning windows also feature strong locking mechanisms and durable hardware. When closed and locked, they create a secure seal that reinforces your home's overall protection. For homeowners who want fresh air without compromising safety, awning windows strike the right balance. Ideal for hard-to-reach areas, awning windows are often operated with a crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This makes them perfect for placement above countertops, sinks, or in bathrooms. In these areas, ventilation is especially important to reduce moisture buildup and improve air circulation. By installing awning windows in strategic locations, you can enhance airflow while maintaining privacy and security. A stylish and practical upgrade beyond performance, awning windows offer a clean, modern appearance that complements many architectural styles in Coppell. They can be used alone or paired with larger fixed or picture windows to combine natural light with ventilation. With various frame materials, finishes, and glass options available, you can customize awning windows to match your home's design while benefiting from their functional advantages. A smart investment for Coppell homes. Upgrading to awning windows is more than just a design choice, it's an investment in comfort and peace of mind. Improved airflow, protection from rain, enhanced energy efficiency, and increased security all contribute to a better living experience. For Coppell homeowners looking to boost ventilation without sacrificing safety, awning windows offer a practical, stylish, and long-lasting solution.